Alright, it's working better now. I gave her a good bang and it stopped making a little rattling noise. It stopped making rattling noise, so I gave her a bang and it's working better for me now. That's the 8,000 BTU for bedroom and I fixed it. It's not making that funny rattling noise no more. Flipping cool. Living room unit. There it goes. Side of it. Working really good on the inside in the bedroom. It seems to be working okay now, so if the air conditioner rattles a little bit, if the fan on the outside of the air conditioner rattles a little bit, I should just not worry about it. So